This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you.
You too, Bill. Yep.
Today, let's talk a little bit about reverse mortgages. And I've seen a lot of infomercials, if you will, about reverse mortgages. And it seems like people think that you have to be in a desperate situation to get a reverse mortgage, but that's not really the case, is it?
No, it's not. That's, reverse mortgage is probably one of the most misunderstood mortgage products out there. And when they first came about 25 years ago, that's how they were targeted. People, the lenders and people that used or wrote reverse mortgage would target those that were in dire need or in financial stress and use them as a way to bail them out. It's evolved over the years, and that's one of the things we see today that is really a very strategic tool that can be used in helping someone in their retirement years put themselves in a better position financially. We get a lot of referrals. We have a lot of conversation with financial planners and CPAs that are using the equity in existing seniors' home to help put themselves in a better retirement position with income, or maybe paying some things off, using the proceeds for different means.
As you said, it is misunderstood. How exactly does a reverse mortgage work?
Well, it's really an interesting product. It allows the consumer to use the equity they built up in their home to tap into that equity and take it out through several different mediums. One, take it out in a lump sum. They can set up a line of credit, which has a really nice growth rate on it, or even in monthly installments to help supplement the monthly income. So you take the equity, and if you owe anything on the home, we'll pay that off and then use the remaining equity to set up your distribution with.
If someone receives Social Security or Medicare benefits, will that interfere with their reverse mortgage?
No, typically it does not. It doesn't have any effect because it's not income. It's actually a loan that you're taking out. So in general, it doesn't affect either one of those.
And the more we talk about reverse mortgages, it sounds like it's a pretty good deal. What are the rates looking like this week? Well,
on the reverse mortgage, they can be really a good product for the homeowner, depending on what they're trying to do with it. They're, depending on whether they want to travel, if they want to pay their existing debt off or consolidate some things, they can use a reverse mortgage in really in any capacity they want to. Rates on the reverse mortgage, that's something else that people don't really understand, is that rates are very, very comparative to a traditional mortgage, depending on how you structure it and what you want to do, and there's different ways of structuring that loan to get you the best benefit we can. So it just depends on what you want to do with that.
Now, you mentioned they can use it for anything they want. So if they're not in any financial help, can they use this to travel also?
Absolutely. They can use it to travel. They can use it to fund a grandchild's college education. Really can use the money to do whatever you want, to make improvements for the home, get it handicap accessible if you need to do that. Whatever the case may be, you can use the money however you see fit.
So the market's still looking good for people that are wanting a new home?
Yep, absolutely. Mortgage rates are still holding out. We're in pretty good shape there. So your purchasing power is really pretty good with rates being, we're still in the mid to low threes, and then upper threes and fours on the longer term mortgages. So it's, very, very strong mortgage rates these days.
Good information as usual. If you missed last week's show, if you want to find out more about it, just go to their Facebook page, or you can give them a call at 329-9090 or visit their website at jts-co.com. Jeff, good to see you again.
Yep, good to see you, Bill. Thank you.
We'll take a break, come back with more in just a moment.